wound up.
She didn't even finish it.
I'm plugged up.
You're plugged up or wound up?
I'm plugged up.
You're plugged up?
She ate a chicken nugget in a tater tot.
Okay. Can you sing me the Frosty song?
No, the reindeer. So you will sing the reindeer dance with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come over here. Oh, Dad, Mommy. Mommy. When Mommy do this. Mommy had a pretty grandma dance.
Okay, we'll have Daddy record us doing the dance, okay? You just have to hold it. And
Do
zoom
what?
in and out. Zoom in and out.
Hold what?
Nothing. It's recording.
The reindeer dance.
Watch him, please. Where's your reindeer antlers?
Mommy.
Where's Mommy's? Doesn't Mommy have one?
I do. I have a green one.
Let me go get the red one. Sing for Daddy. I'll be right back.
Don't dance through them, okay? Because you're a big alien.
You're not singing.
Okay, let's sing Jingle Bells. Jingle.
No.
You don't want to dance with me? Okay.
She's got her own song she sings. Right, Elsie?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Okay, then we're done. I'll dance with you later, okay? You just hit the stop button.